What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is going to be kind of a short video. Basically, we got a new shower head. Of course, you guys know we've been working on the building. When we got the new shower head, we put it in and just assumed I didn't know anything about pressure reducers and showers or anything like that. Or shower heads, rather, I should say. So I just assumed we'd have full pressure. So I go to get my first shower the other day, and terrible water pressure coming out of the shower head. And I do a little research on it, and from the factory, because of U.S. law or whatever, they have to restrict the flow to like 2 or 2.5 gallons per minute or something like that. Something like that. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's somewhere in that ballpark. So today, sorry, I had to open the shower curtain. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to take your shower from this to that. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is take your shower head off. If you've just bought a new one and you're swapping it, it's the perfect time to do it because it's already off, you know. But I've already put ours on, so you guys see, I'm gonna pull it off, and I'll pick you guys back up in just a second. Alright guys, so I got the shower head pulled off. Okay, so no kind of thing. You see that little blue thing right there? Let me move my head so you get some light. Actually, let me just flip this other light on. See that little blue thing right there? That's what you want to pull out. Ideally, you'd have a pair of needle nose through this. I don't have a pair of needle nose, so I'm making do. But you just want to grab it on one of those tabs right there, and you pull. And some of the videos I did when I did my research, they say sometimes you'll break one of the little tabs off and have to grab on one of those other tabs. But I don't know, I haven't done it yet. Anyway, so I will be right back. I would actually, let me see if I've got something so I can set you guys up and let you guys watch. Hang on just one second. Alright guys, I'm back. So, my thought process was there was a little rubber washer in there. It was just right around through there where you guys see all those little bitty holes at around the edge. My thought process was if that washer's there to keep it to reduce it, don't let so much through. So why not pull it out? So you can use a knife. I didn't have a knife handy, so I used a little drill bit that I had over here to drill some wood the other day. I don't remember what I drilled, but anyway, I used that little drill bit and I popped that little rubber washer out, and we're fixing to see if it worked. So let's throw this back on there right quick. And if you're changing out an old one, be sure you replace that Teflon. It keeps water from leaking out, which I don't think you would lose much right there, but just in case. Okay, there we go, we're pretty tight now. So I'm gonna turn my shower on full blast. As y'all see, shower is on full blast. I'm gonna leave the shower curtain closed just a little bit. I want to adjust the shower head a little so it's not shooting into the floor if it is crazy. Turn coat on a little bit. And look at that, it worked. Alright guys, I gotta tighten that up there. See what I mean by leaking? So I may pull it back off and redo Teflon. But anyway guys, so that worked. That little rubber washer is all that's stopping the pressure. So you don't even have to pull that reducer out. Just pull that rubber washer out and you're good to go. I'm gonna turn this water back off so y'all can hear me hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, so all you gotta do is just pull that little rubber washer out. Super simple, super easy. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and get my shower. The reason why I went ahead and done this because I was tired of taking like very low pressure showers. So anyway, we'll see y'all later. Have a good one.